So welcome back guys. The next question in this JavaScript series is regular expression 2. So here what they are saying, okay, so string yes starts with prefix Mr, Mrs, Miss, Doctor and ER. I think this is for engineer, I don't know bro. Okay, so string starts with this prefix. Okay, so first of all we have to match these things, these startings, okay, these prefix, and the remainder of string must consist of one or more upper or lower case. Okay, so basically we have to match this, the first thing. Okay, so here we will see. Okay, so for this condition return true. Okay, printing true. Here Mrs. Y, this is also true. And if, okay, so here if this format comes, then we have to return false, means we have to create a regex to check the strings. Okay, so we will see the code. Okay, so here input. Okay, so they are taking the input and they are, okay, they are calling the function in the console.log. Okay, means they are directly printing our return value. So here they have written the function. Now just we have to create our regex. Okay, so first of all I will create a constructor of regex. So here they are returning re, so I will create a variable named re. Now I want to create regex, so I am creating a constructor, means I am creating an object of regex p. So first of all, which thing we have to match? We have to match these Mr, Mrs. Okay, so this dot part is common to all. Okay, so as dot part is common, so I will not take to match. Okay, so first of all, to match our prefix we have to write in this format. Okay, so this, I don't know which operator we call. This is XOR operator, yeah, I think. Okay, so using this operator we can match the prefix of the string. Okay, so now I will write here, we want Mr or sorry Mr or Mrs or Miss or Doctor, or I think this is engineer, I don't know, don't go seriously. Okay, so parenthesis complete means it will match any one of these 5 strings. Okay, so here I have written with mistake. Okay, so here or operator. Okay, using or operator I have written all these things. Now the next thing that we have to match, we have to match this dot. Okay, so to match this dot we will write in this format. Okay, so double quote means we wanted dot compulsory. Okay, we must, dot must have in the string. So this is for the starting part. Now in the second part they have said that remainder of string yes may be consist of one or more. Okay, so this is important, one or more upper or lower case. Okay, so for that now I will write here like we can match a to z, lowercase a to z and uppercase a to z, any of these, any of the characters between these ranges. Okay, so this is in, we have written this in square bracket, must, it will match anything. Okay, any string in the remainder string. Okay, so now the last part is that I think the last part, okay, English alphabetical words, so means in the last we can, the string must be bigger, so here we can write that plus dollar means it will concatenate the remaining string. Okay, so now we will run the code. So that is the thing, so I think it should run fine. So why it is taking time so much? Yeah, so that's the thing. So thank you.